What's good, babes? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, thank you for clicking onto this video, and please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more of my content. And if you are returning watching this video, thank you so much for tuning back in to watch another video. I appreciate you. Thank you for the love and support. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and drop me some comments down below. It's to be a video dedicated to good skincare, dedicated to making your skin glow. 2021, I'm all about improving and growing in all aspects of my life, including my body and skin. And I was fortunate enough to have the opportunity to collaborate with a very popular brand that I'm sure you all are really familiar with. And the name of this company is called Gleamin. They were so kind enough again to reach out to me and ask me if I wanted to try out their vitamin C and turmeric clay mask. And you guys, I have been trying this mask for the last month and I am definitely impressed. I will be continuing to use this product because it has done great benefits for me. It has not done anything harmful to my skin. It just give me some great benefits. So I will be continuously using this mask. Just to give you some information about the mask is by Gleamin, and this is what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen this all over Instagram, all over Facebook, just all over the social media platforms. The packaging is very sleek. It's made out of kind of like a hard plastic. It almost feels like it's metal, but it's not. It's very sturdy. I'm having it on my counter, and it's very sturdy. And you get 2.1 ounces of product. And this is how the mask looks on the inside. It is like this nice mustard yellow color. It does have a smell to it. It kind of smells, I don't really know how to describe the smell. The smell is, I guess it would be strong. It's strong, but it's not overpowering and overbearing. And the mask is a very thick consistency. And you do not need a lot of it. A little bit goes a long way. I know you guys are probably looking at the container like, oh my God, it's so small. But when I tell y'all that a little goes a long way, a little goes a long way with this mask. You do not need to put on a super thick layer of it. So again, just to give you some more specifications on the mask, this is a vitamin C and turmeric clay mask. Mask also contains aloe, and all of these different components help with fading dark marks, helps with hyperpigmentation, and it also helps with improving the overall texture of your skin, so it will make your skin appear a lot more softer and smoother as well, in addition to helping brightening it up and also fading your dark marks. Okay, so all of my skincare products that I purchase for my personal skin, I like to use stuff that's going to help get rid of dark marks, hyperpigmentation, and brighten my skin. Any product I put on my face as far as my skincare have to have those components in it, and this is exactly what you're looking for. Now, because it does have turmeric in it, turmeric is a very strong ingredient, and sometimes it can leave stains, but I promise you this does not leave no type of stain on your face at all. When you wash it off, you won't even know that you had a mask on prior. So you don't have to worry about it staining your skin or anything like that. And it only takes about 10 minutes for the mask to work. You put it on, wait 10 minutes, wait for it to harden, and then you just wipe it off with some warm water, dry your face, and then continue with your regular skincare routine, okay? And I can honestly, genuinely say that after using this mask, I definitely noticed a difference in just my skin tone and texture. My skin was much brighter. It had a nice natural glow. And my tone overall just looked like it was like kind of like airbrushed or blurry, which is what you want to go for. guys, it's been 10 minutes and this is how the mask looks when it dries. It's like a normal mask when it dries up. If you see me looking here or behind the camera, I'm looking in the mirror and making sure I'm still recording, but the mask dries up, and when you move or whatever, it kind of falls off. All right, guys, check me out. Check me out, okay? Shining, 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 shining. Listen, this mask is life, okay? I absolutely love this mask. Like, honestly, y'all ignore my nails. I'm getting them done literally when I get done recording this. But honestly, sometimes when I get these masks, they never do what they say they're gonna do. Like, I don't see any type of like difference. Get these little crusties together. But this one, you literally can tell a difference when you get done using the mask. I mean, right now, as you can see, my skin looks very supple. And this is literally, I just got done washing the mask off my face and I dried my face. And the only thing I did was use my moisturizer, which also has aloe and vitamin C and those type of components in it as well. But the overall texture of my skin is just like bomb. My skin, it looks softer. The fine lines and my pores are not as visible, and I just look bright, just look super bright. So I have a glow, a natural glow going on without all the extras. So you guys, I definitely highly recommend this mask. This mask is made for all skin types. So if you have dry skin, if you have oily skin, if you have combination skin like me, I have combination skin, this will not alter or throw that off. Always test out, you know, the product on a patch of your skin before you put it all over your face. If you have sensitive skin, or if you're someone who is concerned about breakouts or anything, definitely do a test first. I have not got any breakouts. I wouldn't say that I have super sensitive skin, but my skin does react to things that you put on there. So I didn't get any breakouts. I didn't get any of those little small bumps that you get when I wore this. And I actually see a huge difference in my skin, period. So definitely check out Gleamin, guys. I'm going to leave all of the information down in the description box below for you to go check them out. Visit their website, let them know that I sent you, and let me know how you feel about Gleamin. Are you going to try it? I was shook when they reached out to me because I've been seeing this mask all over social media, and I've been wanting to try it because I've been doing my research. I already knew vitamin C is good, aloe vera is good, turmeric is good for, you know, brightening and evening the skin tone. So to have all that in one mask is amazing, and for the mask to actually work is amazing. So I've been using it for a month straight, y'all, and I love it. The only downfall that I would say is I didn't really see like a huge difference in I didn't really see like a huge difference in my hyperpigmentation that I have. I have hyperpigmentation like on a perimeter of my face. So this area, and then all around here in this area, and sometime right here. So I didn't really see a difference in those areas. But regardless of that, it still does what I wanted to do, which is brighten and even my skin tone, like for the day. Like it works immediately. You know what I'm saying? So I'm happy with that. Yes, I'm happy. Okay. So please look in the description box to check this mask out if you're interested. And I want to thank you for watching this video. If you guys would like a more detailed skincare routine, I do have one up on my channel already, and I will leave it in the description box as well. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, drop some comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay beautiful and stay blessed, guys. Mwah.